We're going to try out Trail Assist. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how easy it is. And shouldn't try this at home, but gives you a good idea of how precisely the vehicle will control the speed on the way up this hill. And obviously I'm not putting any input in, so it's doing it all on its own. And it'll keep it nice and smooth all the way up to the top.
We're out here in Moab testing off-road mode.
So we've designed the new off-road app to be super accessible. Just tap it. We've got Overland, we've got Baja.
In overland mode, we try to efficiently get the power down on the ground.
Cybertruck has the ability to do cross-linking in the air suspension, which helps you push traction to the wheels.
And in rock mode, it's all about keeping the wheels extremely tight to the ground and glued to the rock. Oh my God. It'll increase the ride height to very high. We use the millisecond precision of the electric motors. It maximizes the amount of traction you can get for the terrain you're on. And Baja mode is very much so driver focused. The way I like to think of Baja mode is it sort of takes the truck and shrinks the wheelbase a little bit. So you go from having a full-size utilitarian truck into almost a go-kart.
We've got control of your handling balance.
If you find yourself in a situation where you're looking for a little bit more stability, you can push that handling balance forward and the truck will just be on rails. If you're looking to have a little bit more fun, loosen it up, you can move it rearwards and you'll have a nice drifting experience.
We've also got quick access to wade mode. It'll raise your ride height, it'll pressurize your battery pack.
The bottom floor of the truck is all battery pack. Tesla has an extreme focus on safety, so we pressurize the battery pack to keep the water out. No other vehicle can do this. Our wade height's 815 millimeters, which is about to the top of these tires. We do that to keep the cabin dry, keep the electronics dry, and keep you dry when you're going through deep water, so you have a great off-roading experience.
Trail Assist is Cybertruck's off-road cruise control. So here I'm completely off the pedals and the car sort of figures out exactly how much regen and brakes to apply in order to smoothly get us down.
This gives you the ability to have a speed control, works as a hill ascent, works as a hill descent. Most importantly, it allows me to focus on steering. Hell's Gate, straight ahead. We need a better song.
Do we have service?
We have Starlink.
Are we ready?
When we go up something like Hell's Gate and we are a wheel 3 feet in the air, we're able to maintain control because we have mechanical locking differentials that then don't allow a big wheel flare on one corner that would cause you to lose grip and then slide down. Easy peasy.
We're finding the steepest stuff we can find, what we think is around a 62 to 63 degree angle.
The torque is still sent to the wheel that does have traction and continues to propel you forward. In the dual motor, you are able to select the front and rear locking differential separately. And in the tri-motor, you have the front locking differential that you can engage on the UI.
And then the off-road light bar enables you to drive off-road at night confidently. We can control the ditch lights, the main light, all the brightness directly on the UI.
It's amazing to be in a vehicle like this. In our system, because we have computers that monitor various sensors throughout the vehicle at very high rates, we can actually monitor, detect these conditions, and correct for it much faster than a human can.